Hello and welcome to my channel. I've previously introduced you to many AI tools for converting text to video, like Picalab, Leonardo, Gen 2 and Sora, which hasn't been publicly released yet and isn't available to everyone. I even compared these 4 AI tools in one of my videos. Today, I want to introduce you to a new AI that is completely free and without limitations. All the videos you see have been generated by this AI. It is a powerful perceptual foundation model-driven AI designed for a new path towards AGI. Founded by alumni from Google DeepMind, TikTok, and top research labs from academia, Haiper brings both cutting-edge machine learning and a belief that creativity should be fun, surprising, and shareable. Haiper AI can turn your text into videos and create creative and engaging videos. It can animate your desired images, bringing them to life. It can also change the colors and textures of your videos, creating a completely different video for you. With this AI, you can create creative videos for various platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, or produce films, documentaries, animations, promotional videos, or educational videos. Let's see how we can use this AI. Currently, using this AI is completely free, but there might be changes in how the website operates in the future. On the main page of the website, click on the Start Creating button and log in with your Discord or Gmail account. On this page, you'll see the important features of Haiper. Create video with text, animate your image, repaint your video, extend your video. It will soon be available to everyone. Here you can see many videos created by others using Haiper. If you like any of them, you can download them with this button. To convert text into a video, click on the Creations menu, then select Create Video with Text. In this box, you can type the description of your desired video. Choose the model of your video from the above options. It can be old film, watercolor, cyberpunk, Lego, or even similar to Ghibli Studio cartoons. I'll copy and paste the prompt I've prepared beforehand here. I wrote, "Wide shot, a beautiful girl with brown hair, red lipstick, a beret hat, stands in a quiet street, look at the camera." With this button, I can specify whether my video should be public or not. With this button, I can choose whether my video should be 2 seconds or 4 seconds. Then I click on the Create button. The result is this. Do you see how nicely it included the things I wrote into the video? With this button, you can add the video to your favorite list. With this button, you can download it. If you're not satisfied with the video, you can click on the Regenerate button to create a new video with the same prompt. Or if you click on Vary Generate, you can edit the previous prompt. If you click on Delete from here, the video will be deleted. With the Who Can View button, you can specify whether the video should be public or private. With the Favorite menu, you can access the videos you liked. I'll go back to the Creations menu. This is the video I created by clicking on the Regenerate button. And this is the video I generated after editing the prompt. To convert an image into a video, click on the Creation Mode button. Then click on Animate your image. And from here, select the image from your hard drive to upload it. The point here is that Haiper AI analyzes the image and turns it into a video. But we can also influence the final video by writing a prompt in this box. So I'll click on Create once without a prompt. And once I'll write my own prompt and then click on Create. I want to see both scenarios together and compare them. This is the result without a prompt. And this is with my desired prompt. I can generate this video multiple times. Because this AI is free, I have no limitations. Let's see the result together. The tests I conducted with Haiper show that it has a very good understanding of video movements and elements compared to competitors like Picalab and Runway Gen 2. The character movements and stability throughout the video are completely logical and accurate. It doesn't require complicated prompts, and it's very easy to use, as you've seen. Currently, the videos produced by Haiper are 4 seconds long, and there's no control over the camera and its movements. But I'm sure that in the very near future, we'll see these changes in Haiper. Don't forget, this amazing AI is currently free, and it may no longer be free in the future. So don't waste time, use it, and create good videos. Don't forget to comment the links to your videos for me. And if you like this video, support me with your likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next videos. See you in the next video.